iPad. Well, here's the Samsung Family Hub fridge, and this is what the iPad looks like. You see this right here, it says view inside. There's like 3 cameras. Like, I can't show it to you right now, but I will later. Like 1, 2, 3, and I will 1, 2, 3. And this is what it looks like. The cameras take a picture. I don't know who came up with this, but it's pretty awesome. Like, if your iPad runs out of charge and your iPhone runs out of charge, then what are you gonna do? You see this right here, it says internet. You could go in here and type in YouTube. You could play YouTube on it, and this is what is on there usually, the Fox song. This is the YouTube and internet, and you could pretty much go on YouTube like the normal YouTube on your iPad phone, and you can like do whatever is on YouTube like on the iPad phone. So I'll just go ahead. Well, here's the inside view. This is pretty much 3 cameras on each side taking a picture inside the fridge. Like, see this? The cameras are taking a picture what's inside, and you can look at it in the phone. Like, if you know like what's in there or not. Like, if you don't know what is in the fridge and what's not in the fridge, like there's no milk in the fridge, right? You could just look and go ahead. It's in the whiteboard. Like, you could draw on this, like type in there, and you see these words? These are the words I have to learn in school. Like, there's gonna be like a spelling test, like sometimes, and we have to write these words. And this is the sticky board. There is a calendar, and you can write notes, and never mind that. Well, this is the whiteboard. You can like draw stuff on here and stuff, and you can write stuff. Well, that was the whiteboard, and this is the sticky board. There's a calendar here. You can see these. And you could draw notes in there. There's the clock. Moving on to, these are like photo albums. You could put photos in here, and sometimes when you leave the fridge alone a little bit, and then this will come up and it will like get bigger, and it will a slideshow. And we could go over here, and here's Pandora, and this is a timer. Like, you could set the whistles to put on music and stuff. And these are some other cool apps like the Fridge Man and other stuff. This is the Fridge Manager, and you can control like the fridge, like the flex zone. Like, you can make it a fridge or a freezer. And this is the flex zone. You can control this and make it a fridge or a freezer. And right here, you see this right here, pictures. Let me just show you the other one. This is a cool fridge. We really like this fridge, and I think this is the best fridge in the world, because there's no fridge with a TV, like, an iPad. And you can like get a fridge and glue a ginormous iPad on there, but that won't work. This is the only one that can do that. And I'm gonna open the fridge right now because there's something special inside. You see this right here? This flips up like this, and there's cameras. 1, 2, and 3. And these are some other cool apps like the Fridge Man and other stuff. Well, that was it for this video. I hope you liked it.